guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Hello! So as you guys can see, and by the thumbnail, you guys already know that I am going to be doing the Tiny Hands Challenge. I know this video is not anything new. It's been around for a really long time, but it was actually requested that I do this video, and this was like a long time ago, and I'm just getting around to it now. I know Jamie French has done this. She's a really big YouTuber, and she recently did like the tiny face challenge, and I have had other people tell me that I should try the tiny face, but I can't do the tiny face without trying the tiny hands first. And what else? My hands are really orange. Also, I'm not gonna wear a sweatshirt. This is a really thin long sleeve shirt because I wasn't about to wear a sweatshirt when it's like 100 degrees outside. So if the sleeves look weird, or if you see my hands peeking, I'm trying my best to hide them. This is difficult. Alright, so why don't we just get started then? My hand is crooked. My face is nice and moisturized, but we need to put on our foundation. Wait, I lied! I need concealer first. I actually don't know how I'm gonna apply these products. I can't even hold it with the hands. I'm gonna cheat. I'm gonna kind of use my actual hand for this. Okay, so let's see. These hands are very delicate. I usually take my fingers and like work in the concealer. Oh, this is it's tickling the bottom of my eyes. Just gonna rub it in. Gonna try not poke my eye out also. Ow! Talking about poking my eye, the thumb just kind of went up my nose. Is it doing anything? Is it actually like blend? No, it's not. It's not blending. You know what? Slow and steady wins the race, right? You know what? That's the best that this concealer is going to get. Let's move on to foundation. So I'm grabbing my little sponge like this with the foundation on it. I'm gonna forget about the sponge. We're gonna rub it in. I haven't seen too many of these videos. Like, I know a lot of people have done them, but like I said, I mentioned Jamie French. I've seen her video, and then also a few of you that I'm also subscribed to. I know have done this in the past, but like I said, this has been like since a while, a really long while ago. Absolutely like can't blend it in here. Ow. This left hand is hurting me. My left hand is not cooperating. Get the nose! I didn't really get my nose in there. Oh! My hand broke! It fell off. It didn't break, it fell off. I broke my hand and now I can't find it. Where did it go? Gotta do some operation real quick. Fixed. Well, since my foundation isn't going to get any better than this, we're going to move on to powder. And since we used the Fit Me foundation, we're gonna use the Fit Me powder. I'm trying to show you guys. Come on, grab the brush. I'm like 17 minutes into this and I haven't even done the powder. And then do we just wanna, yeah. Everything keeps falling, but we are not giving up. Let me try and get like this powder to kind of like blend what I couldn't blend in here. We have to bronze up the face now, so I'm using the Rimmel. It's just the top of it because it's too heavy to pick up all of it, okay? No! My brush, Coco. That's not a toy. She wants to eat it. Don't eat it, no! The bronzing isn't so bad, is it? It's coming out decent. Thank you, Coco. Now I have to pick that up too. Okay, I totally know you can see my hands. I don't care at this point. I would kind of show you better my blush, but it's crushed up. But I'm using one from Milani. Okay, this technique is not working, obviously already. Coco, you have your toy right here. Here. Go play, right there. Go play. I didn't realize how bad this is looking until I looked up close in the mirror, and next let's do eyeshadow. And yes, I'm cheating to pick this up because I ain't gonna drop this. We're going to be using the Tarte BU Naturally. I haven't used this in a really long time, so I like smacking things with my hands. So we're gonna use it. And it's nice and cute and tiny, like the hands. I thought I had that one and I dropped it. I was literally just about to say that the smaller brushes are easier to handle, but I guess not. Not for Ashley. I'm just going in with your basic transition brown shade. I'm gonna hold it like this. Oh my gosh, I figured it out. No, maybe I didn't. Now I'm going in with a darker brown. Oh yeah, 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 that's what we wanted. Yeah. Forget about brushes. I'm just gonna go in with my hand now into a shimmer shade. Let's see if this applies. I barely picked up anything. Can you guys see that? What I picked up? Literally like nothing. Let me show you guys how I'm applying this up close. Yeah, you can kind of see the shimmer, right? It's nothing too bad. Yeah. Let's get inner corner highlight. Let's try this right in there. Did it do anything? Oh no. Oh boy. I don't even know what's going on anymore. Uh-oh, I got a fallout. Whip it away. Now please tell me, how am I going to be doing a wing with my tiny hands? Do you know how? Do you know how we're gonna do it? We're gonna do it the best we can. That's how. Can't even grab it, but I can do this. I can do this. Oh! Oh! I shouldn't have looked away. I did a double wing. Are we going for a double wing look? I wasn't, but I guess now we are. That came out a lot more exaggerated than I thought. This is hard. My left side is always harder. Oh, but it's coming out a lot nicer. Wow! Look at that. That is actually not bad. But since I did double on this side, I had to do double on the left side. See, this is the scary part because I don't want to poke my eye. I don't even feel like I'm getting any mascara on my lashes. This is nerve-wracking. That's gonna have to be fine. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Pew, 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 pew. You guys remember that song? Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. And you know what? I'm not even gonna be doing eyeliner, so I'm gonna like smudge it on my lower lash line so it looks like something's there. Whatever it is that I got there. I got it off. It squeaked on my vanity. Do we want highlights? Has my bra been showing this whole time? Oh my gosh. What is happening? I'm a disaster in this video. I'm patting it with my tiny hand and we're gonna grab some and we're gonna... Is it doing anything? Is it? I see it kind of on camera. I mean, in the mirror. Slap it on. Slap on the highlight. At least something has to look good. You know what? I didn't even brush out my eyebrows because I wasn't even gonna go there. But maybe we could fix it with our fingers. Give it kind of like its shape. See, this looks cute and this feels nice, but the makeup application, especially this part, has been horrendous. Let's put white on my nose. That came off like a little bit too much. Rub it with this one. And we cannot forget our lips. I'm just gonna go all out, like we're just gonna do a bold lip. Let's take this Maybelline Super Stay Ink Crayon Whoops. This is how I'm holding it. And we're gonna... Oh. I feel like I'm moving my lips more than I'm actually moving the pencil. Let me show you guys a close-up of my beautiful makeup look. Especially the lips. Don't you just love him? Oh, and that concealer also. Alright guys, so that was all for this video. You know, from far away on the camera, it doesn't look that bad. But when you see me up close, now that ain't pretty. But it was lots of fun. I really enjoyed myself. Now I can't stop talking with my hands. This was lots of fun, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. And I hope, dale a tu cuerpo alegría, Macarena. I'm not gonna lie, it was definitely very difficult. No wonder why they call it a challenge. Please don't forget to subscribe down below if you are not yet. Give this video a big thumbs up if you did enjoy, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye!